Hey guys, what's up? Trent here. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix a flat tire. Let's get at it. So today what we're going to need is a socket. We're going to need the extension, and then we're going to need a 17mm socket. And we're also going to need the tube and tire lever. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you grab your pop tire, okay? It's gone. I have a hole here from my nail. That's my proof. And then you grab your thingamabobbers. You put it into the tire. Bobber, put it right here. Push it down. Clip it on. Go to the next one. So what you want to do is grab this, pull it around, get rid of these, get your hand in here, and pull it out. So now you take out the tube, you get rid of it, get the new tube. Okay, make sure it's all pumped up, put it back in. It's going to take a second. Okay, after you get that, grab your wheel. Okay, so once you find out where it goes, just gotta put the one side on.
You know, it's a lot easier when you're not trying to film this at the same time. Yeah.
Got it in, then you just push the other side in. Okay, now we just pump it up. So now you're going to want to grab your pump. You're going to want to put it into the valve. If I can find it, there it is. So what you want to do is push this into the valve.
Can you turn from this?
100. Guys, final step, threading this in.
There we go.
And we're done. Now all we have to do is put this back on my bike. Okay, my bike's here. Just get the tire, and now we start assembling it together. Okay, so we're going to want to put the tire on. But when we put the tire on, make sure your chain is in. Push this in, put the chain on this. I'll just turn this way. Put the chain on here with the crank. Okay, so now it's all attached. Put them into the bolts. Grab your pegs, put them in. Grab your socket and the bolts, and start winding them back in. Also make sure your tire is nice and straight when you put it in. Look how nice that is. So guys, that's how you install a tire. Hopefully you guys have better luck than I did. Guys, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.